Hey everyone, how's it going? In today's video, I want to show you guys how to draw the Blue Knight from Castle Crashers. So to start off with this, we're going to start right here on our paper, and I'm going to draw a straight line that goes down like this. Then on the top here, I'm going to add a line that's just going to kind of curve across. And then I'm going to make a line that's just going to come straight down like this. Then I'm going to make these lines just go a little bit longer. And then I'm going to draw a V shape. I'm going to go down and then back up like this, just to make a little V. Then on the side here, you want to add a little curved line for like the ear, and then another one over here. Now, for the face, I'm going to start right here, and I'm just going to draw a line that's just going to go over and then down. And then I'm going to make a little one that goes up and down right here. Then, starting right here above the ear, I'm going to draw a line that's going to go in like that. And then I'm going to go up, and I'm going to make like a letter M shape. And then you just want to come down and then go over. Now right here, I'm going to make a line that's just going to kind of angle down. And then I'm just going to kind of curve it around like this and then color that in for one of the eyes. And then right over here, I'm going to draw another kind of angled line. And then this one, I'm just going to kind of turn into like a rectangle shape and then color it in. Then I'm going to make a little line right across there and then a little line up like that. Now, right here, I want to draw the shield. So at an angle, I'm going to draw a line that goes up like this, and then a line that's going to go down on each side, and then a line that goes down and then back up in a V shape. Then I'm just going to add some lines that go right around the edge of it just to kind of form the shape of the shield. Then I'm going to draw a little line that goes down here and then another one that goes right down there for the arm. Next, starting here, I'm going to draw a line that's going to curve down. And then I'm going to kind of curve it in towards the shield. Then for the foot, I'm going to draw a line that's going to go down, and then it's going to make a V shape, and then it's going to come back up. You want to make a line that goes straight across, and then put a little kind of half circle shape right there. Then for this foot, I'm just going to draw a line that goes down, and then it's going to kind of curve up. And I'm just going to put a little half circle shape on there. Then you want to draw a little line that's going to curve down here, and then it's going to go over for the other arm. And then right here, I'm going to make a line that's just going to kind of curve down. Then I'm going to curve up and down and over. And this is going to be his little bow and arrow. Then I'm going to make two lines that come down. And then I'm going to draw two diagonal lines on each side. And then a straight line across. Then I'm going to make a nice V shape for the arrow. And then I'm just going to put two little curved lines in here. Then right here, I'm just going to draw a line that's going to curve up, and then it's going to come down. And then I'm just going to add a little curved line right there. Now, for some detail on them, I'm going to make a little line that's going to go across there. And then I'm going to add another little small one here. And then just one that runs right into there. Then I'm going to add two little lines on his arm. And then I'm going to add this little plus sign right here onto the front of his armor. And there you go. There is the Blue Knight from Castle Crashers. I'm going to fast forward and start coloring this. Thanks for watching. Hope you guys enjoyed.